Hi, welcome back. I'm Claudia from MORCRAFTS Studio and Happy New Year. I can't believe it's already 2025. Last year flew by, and now this year I want to set a goal to try new softwares, crafts, and cutting machines. I purchased this silhouette portrait during Black Friday, and I'm just now getting around to unboxing it. One of the reasons I wanted to try the Portrait 4 was the size. It's not a big machine, it's actually pretty lightweight. And also, a lot of my friends that are Silhouette users have raved about the print and cut option on Silhouette, and they recommended the Portrait machine to start off with. And as you can see, it's nice and sleek. I love the white matte finish on the machine, and it doesn't have too many buttons. It looks like it's going to be really easy to use. It comes with the battery pack and it has an option for Bluetooth as well. It also comes with an auto blade and it has a magnetic attachment. I believe it's for a heat pen option. I haven't quite figured that out yet. And it comes with an additional piece that I still don't know what it's for, but we're going to figure it out. Inserting the blade was pretty simple. It does have a little click to it, so you have to pull out the attachment, put the blade in, and then push it in. It also comes with a cutting mat, and this size is an 8 by 12, so it's not too big, and it has this film over it. The mat itself is not super sticky. It has a good stick to it, but it's not anything too strong. For my first project, I wanted to make Valentine Teacher stickers. I made these on the Studio program. I purchased the business edition license, and I know how to make very little projects on there. If you guys want a tutorial on how I made these stickers, let me know in the comments and I can put up a video for you. Off the bat, I'm really impressed with the machine. It's not loud at all, and it has this smooth glide through the paper as it's scanning the registration marks. It cut pretty accurately, which is something that I really was looking forward to. I'm a Cricut user, and there's a lot of inconsistencies with Design Space and how our print and cut projects are cutting lately. And so I wanted something that was going to cut super accurately, and this is exactly what I got. I love the way that the stickers turned out, and I think I'm going to be using my Portrait 4 for more print and cut projects. And this is the final look for my stickers. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more party decor, DIY projects, and more.